Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Enjin Coin. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Enjin Coin ENJ is the native utility and governance token that powers the Enjin blockchain, a network specifically built for NFTs and gaming, providing the economic backbone for creating, trading, and managing digital assets. Core utility token ENJ is used to pay transaction fees, mint NFTs, participate in governance, and secure the network through staking. NFT value backing. A unique features allow NFTs to minted into ENJ, giving them intrinsic coverable value that can be reclaimed by melting the assets. Gaming and metaverse focus. The ecosystem provides developers with a full suite of tools like wallets, APIs, and marketplace to integrate blockchain into games and apps easily. Enjin Coin total supply is 1.97 billion and circulating supply is around 1.94 billion ENJ token. ENJ token is listed on Binance, OKX, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.